Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel KRIDAYA-ACADEMY. Today we'll learn how to check divisibility by 7. If you find divisibility of 7 confusing, then this video is just for you. Well, many students know divisibility rule of 2, 3, 5 and 10, but when it comes to 7, they get confused. Here is some trick. Take last digit and double it. You get the answer. After that, you subtract this answer from remaining number. You get the 14. And as all of you know that 14 is completely divisible by 7 at 2. So that the original number also divisible by 17. It's that simple. Let's take another example. Same process. Take a last digit and double it. And subtract 14 from 35. Now you can see that 21 is completely divisible 7 at 3. That means the whole number is also divisible by 7. But it tricks works because of the mathematical relationship between place value and multiple of 7. If you find this trick helpful, don't forget the like, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more easy math trick. Comment below which divisibility rule you want to next, 11, 13 or 17. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.